That's really fun. Hi, 안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 네, 회사 소개 부탁드립니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 기술로 사람을 지키는 기업 모빌리오 대표 이진식입니다. 저 모빌리오는 이렇게 로봇의 머리를 만드는 회사예요.
네.
그래서 로봇이 어떻게 행동하는지 그리고 무엇을 해야 되는지 시키면은 아주 사람처럼 아주 똑똑하게 잘하는 로봇을 공급하는 회사입니다.
Okay, so they are a company that basically makes the heads, the brains of the robots.
That's right.
Okay. 네, 오늘 어떤 거 준비해 주실 수 보여주실 수 있나요?
먼저 이거라도 휴머노이드가 있으니까 휴머노이드 로봇을 I'd like to introduce a humanoid robot first. It's humanoid. It's very is 75 kilogram.
75 kilograms. It's like a real person.
Yes, it's like a real person. It's very tall. It's very high. Yeah, it can lift. It can lift 20 kilogram.
Okay.
Yes, it's very heavy. Yes.
It's
Please
pretty
shake your
strong.
hand.
So it's like a real
Yeah,
person.
it's like a real person. It's very heavy, and then there is lots of eyes, light, cameras. Yeah. So do you have any plan to use these robots at home or for interview instead of you?
Maybe you can clean for me.
Yeah, it's a clean room and the clean house. Yeah. So this robot is very powerful. It's not working. There's
Yeah.
no battery inside it.
Okay.
But, I would like to show you next time.
Okay, we'll check that out for sure.
Yeah. This robot is great. And then this robot, I would like to show you this robot.
Wow, what is this?
This robot move automatically. Yeah.
It's like a little puppy.
Yeah. Please stay here, and then robot stop, and then please step back. Step back a little bit.
Oh! Hi!
Yeah. This robot is move automatically. Is there any obstacle in front of this robot?
Yeah.
And then stop.
Okay.
And then then send the signal. It's warning or whatever. So this robot is now is working 24/7
Okay.
at in factories and logistics. Really.
But that's so smart.
Yeah, we provide this robot to global companies.
So what kind of tasks does it do at these companies?
Robot, is robot can see and hear and can smell. Robot move is what's going on every day, and then they find out the problem
So basically monitoring.
and monitoring, and send data to employee, and then the center, monitoring center.
Okay.
So there is a lots of problem happen, and so this robot is Anyway, this robot is find out some problem and then send the signal and solve this kind of problem.
Okay. Amazing.
And then another one is this one is entertain robot. No, this is entertain robot. And then this is backflip. 야, 임사님, backflip. 야, 임사님, backflip 가능한가요? Backflip. Yeah. Robot, and this is entertainment robot. Right one.
So before we wrap up, let's watch the backflip. Whoa.
Well, it's okay. It's the last one. The last one is over there. Last one over there. This robot is very, tough environment. This robot overcome tough environment. You can see, and then go down.
Oh, we can go down the stairs?
Stairs is very high. Level is very high.
Let's watch it. Okay. Whoa. That is
Yeah, it's very high.
incredible.
Incredible. It's a move.
It can go up again? Wow.
Wow.
Okay, I've never seen this before.
Yeah, it's very, very tall.
That is,
Very high. And
that
then
is
it's awesome.
fascinating.
Yeah, it's awesome.
That's really new technology.
Yeah, the technology is
Wow.
awesome. It's outside. It's a very dangerous place, and
Yeah.
then this robot go there and then help people.
Yeah, amazing. Well, it's so cool. Thank you so much for showing all of this to us.
Thank you.
I can't wait to meet you again in a couple of months and then see how far all of this technology has come. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.